Morning everyone. Rained all night last night again. Sea's a bit upside down. It's very clean though. Almost high water, I think. No, I think it'll start settling down in a day or two. There's Reg. He's off to work just now. As soon as we hear what's happening with the funerals for Peter and Monica, I'll let everybody know, and we will arrange to have a little get together with the fishing boys one morning early down at Peter's Rock. Hope all the guys will be interested in joining us. Anyway, wherever you are, have a great day in tight lines.